Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. In animal life, they do not know anything except sense gratification. They have no power. Their consciousness is not developed. Just like in the Green Lake Park, there are so many ducks. As soon as somebody goes there with some little food, they gather. Caw, 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 caw. That's all. And after eating, they're enjoying sex life. That's all. So, similarly, like cats and dogs and these animals, the human life is also like that. If there is no question what I am, if they are simply directed by the sense urges, they are no better than these ducks and dogs. So therefore, in the first 6 chapters, it has been decided that living entity is a spiritual spark. It is very difficult to find out where this spark is, because it is so small, minute. There is no material microscope or machine to find out, but it is there. It is there. The symptom is because it is there in my body, because it is there in your body. Therefore you are moving, you are talking, you are planning, so many things you are doing. Simply for that, the spiritual spark. So, we are very minute spark of the Supreme Spirit. Just like there are in the sunshine, minute particle, shining particle. Who is shining, these shining particles when they are mixed together, that is sunshine. But they are molecules. They are separate atomic molecules. Similarly, in relationship with God and ourselves, we are also minute particles of God. Shining. Shining means we have got the same propensities, thinking, feeling, willing, creating, everything. Whatever you see in yourself, that is there in God. So God cannot be impersonal. Because we are all persons. I have got so many propensities. That is very minute quantity. The same propensities are there in Krishna or God. But that is very great, unlimited. This is the study of Krishna consciousness. Simply, greatness, my position is very small. And we are so small, infinite simmer. Still we have got so many propensities, so many desires, so many activities, so many brain work. Just imagine how much greater brain work and desire and propensities are there in God. Because He is great. His greatness means all these things what you have got, that is existing in Him, in greatness. That's all. Qualitatively, we are one, but quantitatively, we are different. He is great, we are small. He is infinite, we are infinite. Therefore, the conclusion is, just like infinite particles of fire sparks, when they are with the fire, they look very nice, with fire and sparks. But when the sparks are out of the fire, main fire, they extinguish. No more fire. Similarly, we are sparks of Krishna or God. When we associate with God, then that illuminating power, fire, is renovated. Otherwise, we are extinguished. Although you are sparks, our present life, this material life, is covered. The spark is covered, or extinguished almost. This is only example. It cannot be extinguished. If it is extinguished, how we are manifesting our living condition? It is not extinguished, but it is covered. Just like when fire is covered, you will feel heat on the covering, but you cannot see the fire directly. Similarly, the spiritual spark is covered by this material dress. Therefore we cannot see. The doctor says, the bodily function has failed, therefore heart has failed. He is dead. And why heart fails, he does not know. There is no medical science calculated. They will say so many reasons, that because the blood corpuscles, red corpuscles has ceased to function, it has become white, therefore it is... No, this is not right answer. The blood can be made red, or redness is not light. There are many natural products which is red by nature. That does not mean there is life.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,